Hi, Thomas.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you.
Would you mind sharing some details on our beautiful vehicle?
Of course, certainly. It will be my pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, Thomas. Ladies and gentlemen, the Kodiaq is our best-selling SUV. And for us designers, the facelift of the bestseller is always a challenge. We have to work gently, almost like a plastic surgeon, to keep what our customers like and improve the emotional appeal. So we looked at the Kodiaq and we started the facelift with the face. So let's have a look at the front. Looking at this beauty, what is all new on this front is the general appearance of the front. The car looks much more grown up, a little bit more robust, but also very dynamic. So how do we achieve this? What we did is that we designed a completely new bonnet. So we moved the bonnet forward and we made the grille much more upright. This gives a totally different appearance of this front. And also in this grille that is now a little bit wider and also more hexagonal, these double ribs that we see here in the nice finish with the chrome double stripe on it. So this makes the car much more progressive. When we look at the lower part on this all new bumper, then you see that it's much more sculptural. And what you see immediately also is that we changed these outer air intakes. So to improve the aerodynamics, which is also a big benefit for the car, and we really want to do this at Skoda, always to have very good aerodynamics for our customers. So overall, the front developed quite nicely. It's a totally different to today's car. You will immediately experience this when you see the car outside. It's great. Headlights. When you look at the headlights, we could even make the headlights a little bit smaller. Then you see also that the headlights connected to this hexagonal grille, they have this typical crystalline structure in there. And what we also have here with the elevated light that sits here, we have the typical Skoda 4i design, and they have a very distinctive look at night. So this is the typical quality that we have in our headlights, combined with the grille and with the rest of the car, totally new, and we're really happy of this. Coming to the side. What is also important is that whatever we do on the front, all the new stuff has to fit also to the side. And what we see here is what is very nice, how this belt line, what we call here, this is the belt, yeah? So how this belt is also connecting with this new bonnet. It stretches the car, it makes it a little bit more elegant, but on the same size, it's also a very robust car. So now let's have a look at the rear of the new Skoda Kodiaq. What is very obvious, what we changed here is that we added some kind of high glossy black diffuser on our spoiler, which lengthened the roof a little bit, makes optically the rear screen a little bit slimmer, and this also gives us more width appearance in the car, which is very nice, makes the car a little bit more sporty, a little bit more dynamic. We like this very much, and also this has a very benefit for the CV, for the aerodynamics. It improves this very much, and so that's really a good win-win situation for the engineers and also for us designers. And also what you see here, what is very obvious is that we changed the taillights. So we made them slimmer, we made them more crystalline, clearer, and also when you look at the shape, it's a very distinctive shape and it fits perfect also to our crystalline design language. I'm very happy about this, and talking about seeing the car outside, very distinctive, and you will really recognize this immediately when you see it. So now let's have a look at the interior. I have to say that comfort is playing an increasing role as people spend more time on the road now than ever. First of all, we have to say that we have new ergo functions in our seats. We have ventilation and massage function, which is very nice, especially also on long trips. Then also we improved the interior in the quality appearance for the more elegant look. So we add some stitching, for instance, on the dashboard, but also in the seats, different types of colors. The Kodiaq sound system had also been updated with the addition of 2 round speakers. These are the highlights of the new facelifted Skoda Kodiaq 2021. I am convinced this more emotional edition of our best-selling SUV will win over many current and new Skoda customers around the world. Thank you very much.
Hey, what a beautiful car. Great job. Thanks, Oliver.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's not all, of course. We have brought along the entire Kodiaq range. The athletic sport line, our top model, Laurin and Clement, as well as our brand shaper, the Kodiaq RS, featuring the new 2-liter petrol engine for the first time. Come on, guys, let's have a look.